Hey everyone, welcome back to another Cooking with a Gamer, and today we're doing cauliflower steak. So first you want to cut your cauliflower in about 1-inch slices, and then preheat your oven to 500 Fahrenheit. So go ahead and place your slices on an oven rack, and then we're just going to cover them in olive oil. Now once you've done that, you want to flip them over and just do the same thing on the other side. And now that they're covered in oil, you want to top them with a little bit of salt and pepper. I then followed that up with a little bit of garlic powder and a little smoked paprika. And now you want to flip them over again and just do the same thing to the other side. Again, salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. Now once that's all covered and seasoned, you want to cover it with a little bit of tin foil and cook it for about 5 minutes. After 5 minutes, you're going to take the tin foil off and put it back in the oven for 10 more minutes uncovered. And after that 10 minutes of cooking, you're going to take them out and you're going to flip them and put them back in for an additional 10 minutes. After a total of about 25 minutes, you can now take them out and they will be ready to eat. And just add a little color. You can add parsley, or here I added chives. Now enjoy.